In this video, I'll show you how to move money from Zelle to Cash App and guide you through the entire process so you can easily transfer funds between the two apps. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once the app is open, tap the user icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From here, scroll down and select the Linked Banks option to begin connecting your bank account. Next, tap on Link Debit Card, then select No Card if prompted. This will take you to a page where you simply hit Continue to proceed further. To move money from Zelle to Cash App, the key step is linking the bank account that is already connected to your Zelle account to your Cash App account. This bank account will act as the middleman between the two apps, making the transfer possible. For example, if your Zelle is connected to a bank like SoFi, you'll want to link that same bank to Cash App. Search for your bank name in the list, then tap on it. You'll be prompted to sign in using your bank login credentials. Once you enter your username and password, a verification code will be sent to your registered email or mobile number. Enter the code in the app to verify your account. After verification, a confirmation screen will appear. Simply tap Continue, and your bank account will now be linked to Cash App. Once the bank account is added, return to the Cash App homepage and tap on the banking icon in the bottom left corner. Here, select Add Cash, then enter the amount you want to transfer from Zelle to Cash App. Tap Add at the bottom to complete the transfer. The funds will be moved from your linked bank account, which acts as the intermediary between Zelle and Cash App. And that's it! By following these steps, you can successfully move money from Zelle to Cash App, allowing you to manage your funds easily between both platforms.